Meaning of George Frederick Handel.
George Frederick Handel.
George Frederick Handel.
George Frederick Handel.
George Frederick Handel. George Frederick Handel was a German-British composer of the Baroque period, born in 1685 and died in 1759. He is best known for his operas, oratorios, and concerti grossi, including the famous Messiah. Handel's music reflected his mastery of counterpoint and his ability to combine various musical styles, including Italian opera and German chorales, into his compositions. He was also a successful businessman, running his own opera company and managing the royalties from his music. Handel's influence on the development of Baroque music was significant, and he remains one of the most respected composers of all time.